Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and the truck just arrived with more fun goodies for only $125 and a few plus items that I just didn't want you guys to miss out on. So no need to keep you all waiting. Let's dive in. I am starting off in the home decor section. Look at these frames, you guys. You guys remember when these showed up earlier this year and sold out so quickly? They are now coming back to the Dollar Tree and I am here for it. Now these are so gorgeous. I love the shape and design of the frame, and you know what, if you don't like gold, you can definitely paint and restyle these and craft with them. Another item that I saw in decor were these little bottles. Now they do have the little cork on top tied off with a little raffia string, but these all come in a fall inspired theme. I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree before. In the craft section, they have more of these little unfinished vases that just showed up. Now, this is the first time I've ever seen a cylinder one. Now, inside this cylinder one, it is glazed, but on the outside, these are not glazed. So you're able to paint and customize them however you want. Now, I have seen a few of these geometrical style vases before. I think they really have a really unique look, but there are a few I haven't seen, like this one. It reminds me of a beehive type of design. That's a new one that just arrived at my store. Now there are lots to choose from. I'm so glad they are expanding their variety of these because there's so many things that you can do with them. If you prefer not to have any kind of angular cuts in there, they do have this smooth sided version along with all the other ones that I have shown you in videos past. So there are lots to choose from. Now check these out. These are also one of those unfinished ceramic type items. These look like little balloon animals. How cute are they? So they have this little one that's shaped like an elephant, really cute. You can also choose this one, which is a little unicorn. You guys, I think these would be so cute to paint and refinish, to put in a baby nursery or a child's room. Check out the little dinosaur, a little pudgy self. And then in the back, they did have one that is a little doggy, really cute. So check these out in the craft section. They also have this just arrived as well. This is a wool felting kit. Now I've seen two others, but this is the first time I've ever seen the elephant one. So I did want to let you know they did have it in an elephant version. Also in the craft section, if you love to make handmade jewelry, bracelets, necklaces, they have received a bunch of these new craft charms. I'm looking for these items that have these green labels on them. These are new, you guys. Look at all the different charms like butterflies and flowers. If you have a sports fan, they did have some sports themed ones like this one that has baseballs and bats, and they did have some other ones for your pet, bones and paw prints. So they did have lots of these. Now I did find these at the very bottom of the box, so I'm sure they were picked over before I got there, but they did still have a variety of some of these silver type charms available in here. Now right next to it, they had bags of glass beads. Now these were really nice, and what I can appreciate is that they not only had a variety of colors, they did have a variety of shapes and styles and quantities in the bag. So you can kind of mix and match and choose the ones that you love the most. So look for these at the Dollar Tree. They actually just put these out before I got there. So there were a ton to choose from in these boxes. Now the Dollar Tree does have some pre-assembled kits here. These are also glass beads, and you get 6 different varieties in these for $125. So you could see they have pinks, they have your more earthy tones like your ivories and browns. If you love blue, they have a blue set and more of the pearl, reminiscent of pearl type of designs, even green. So check those out at the Dollar Tree. To put it all together, they have this string here. So this is actually the stretch cord, and it is clear, so you won't be able to see it when you put your glass beads on it. Now last week I let you guys know that the vinyl and faux leather was 50 cents on clearance, But this week, I have to tell you about all of the metal items in the craft section. The metal items that I'm showing you here are all ringing up 50 cents. As of yesterday, they were ringing up 50 cents. So if you love to craft with these metal items, whether you want the signs, the corrugated metal pieces, you want the wording, if you want all of the shapes and the bottle caps, definitely check out the Dollar Tree. They are going to be redoing their craft section soon, so they are trying to clearance out a bunch of these items, so grab them when you can. In the kitchen section, they had these new towels. Now, I love these types of towels because they're like a cotton tea towel. Look at these funny phrases. I love the spin on words that these have on them. Fun to have in the kitchen. And I did see 4 different styles of these at my store. We want to talk about nostalgia. Pac-Man. Oh my goodness, this takes me back to the 80s, you guys. They did have a bunch of Pac-Man socks available at the Dollar Tree. It seems like every week they are surprising me with what kind of socks that they come out with. And I did see 5 different styles of the Pac-Man socks. If you are a fan of the movie It, I did see 3 different socks with the style of It on there at the Dollar Tree. And you guys, the little Snuggaloo brand or Snuggadoo, their socks have come out with a full display, and they also include little slippers. Now you could tell they're preparing for the winter because not only are these cozy for the winter, but they come with little snowflake tags that have the price that can be torn off because it has a little tear off line on there, so you can remove the price for gift giving. And they had a huge display, so check those out too. I did see these, only 1 pair though. These are the boxer briefs in a Tootsie Pops theme. There's more out there, but this is the only one I've seen so far. Now, some random items I saw was this puzzle. When you remember, puzzles like these came out a few months ago. These puzzles retail $14, $15, $16. They're such great quality. And the artistry is just so gorgeous on these. Great for gifts, great for family members or whatever you may want. Just keep an eye out for those. Up by the register, check out these new phone stands. These are an LED phone stand, you guys. These light up. So they have this one that's a little astronaut, and then they have this one that looks like a little pack of fries. Now these do light up. They hold your phone on there. Really fun, unique item. Also, I've been noticing some magazines pop up in my kitchenware section, and this is a magazine that retails for $5, and it is packed with different casserole recipes. So that's unusual. I've never seen magazines that much at the Dollar Tree, but they did market this one in the kitchen section at my store. Now look at this. People have been raving about this Brazilian mist leave-in conditioner. You can see there were only 2 left on the shelf when I got there. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this product. Also in the health and beauty, I have been seeing wipes. I didn't find the Brazilian mist ones, but I did find these Arm & Hammer essentials for kids. So if you're looking for wipes for the kiddos, check near the baby section. That's where I found these. All of the holiday scents are out with the Wizard sprays, your pine, your winter, vanilla cookies, apple cinnamon. All of those are coming out right now, so be on the lookout for those as well. Now, lots of you have been telling me you're not receiving my notifications when my videos go live, but if you're looking at me from a mobile device, click that gear up in the top right-hand corner on your profile, scroll down to notifications, and then scroll down to subscription. Now, right next to it, you need to make sure that is turned on, and you'll start receiving all of my notifications when my videos go live. Now onto the food section, I saw these new Karma probiotic waters. Now what's unique about this is in the cap there, it has like a powder flavoring. So what you do is you actually pour your little flavored powder into your water. I love that it's right there in the cap, so convenient. So if you see these, check them out. Also in the food section, I saw these Swanson chicken pouches with garlic and herb and original. Now these pouches are only 2.6 ounces, but right below it, they have the canned chicken. You get 4.5 ounces for the same price. So that's a bigger bang for your buck. I also saw these. So these are the Idahoan Ranch potato shreds. I've never seen this. They do come in a 2-pack and they are microwavable. This is a convenient item to have. Also, all the rices are stocked. Your cilantro lime, jasmine, your quinoa. I mean, I love the Mexican rice. They didn't have it today, but I am looking for that one. Now, in the pet section, look at all of the new pet harnesses that are out. Now, this is called Greenbrier Kennel Club. This is the Dollar Tree brand, but it looks like they have refaced their design on their products, and they have a ton of new harnesses out with that brand on it, along with the leashes as well. So they are kind of, giving a new face to the Greenbrier brand, if I could say that, in the Kennel Club. Now check these out. Name brand pet items. This is the Busy Chewanola. They also have a Purina Roll Hide. These are great items and treats for your pet in the Purina brand. I also saw these. I've never seen these by Chuka. Not familiar with the brand, but that was a new item I spotted at my store. If you want to dress your pet up for Halloween, they have bat wings with the little elastic straps on there. They come trimmed in orange and white. Really easy to put on and no fuss. I thought that was neat. And speaking of dressing up, I looked and found a bunch of dress up items that just arrived at the Dollar Tree. Now these are costume pieces or dress up. They have capes and gloves and all kinds of sorted varieties. Now, if you don't want to use the cape as a cape, use the fabric for a project. The gloves can be used for other projects. And I do love that they have a variety of colors available for everything, so you can kind of mix and match things how you like. They also have these little headbands. Now here is a unicorn headband with flowers and little ears. I think that is so adorable. They also have little skirts with layered tulle. This is pretty. So this one's like in a rainbow color. I like that one too. Now, if you're just looking for facial masks or funny glasses, they did have those as well. All kinds of varieties here. If you want the funny ones with the ears and the thick eyebrows and the noses, they did have those, as well as full face masks available. Now at another store, I did find more of those tulle skirts, and this one is in blue. It's got kind of like an iridescent look to it. Here is one in purple. I think that one's really pretty. And they did have one in black with iridescent overlay. If you're looking for hair accessories, look, they even have headband hair accessories, which comes in blonde. You can get brunette, or if you want to do fun and funky, you can go for a blue or a purple style. They did have some masks as well. Now these masks are actually kind of glow in the dark, which is great. So that adds to that safety factor of night trick-or-treating. And they did have headbands that look like kitten ears. So you can get them on the inside with purple. This one has silver inside, and this one has a gold inside. If you're looking for wings, I saw them themed in the bumblebee and the ladybug, but there may be more out there, but these are the two I did see in stock at my store. I finally found these little ghost mugs. I missed them last week. Someone bought them all before I saw them, but at another store, I finally did find those little cute ghost mugs. Now I did turn around and look at the wall, and all of the Christmas decorations are coming out, but there was a few I wanted to feature I hadn't seen. This is a wood block joy decor piece. This is an ornament, and then they have Noel, and I love that they have wood beads, wood blocks, and they have the tassels on the ends. I also saw these large church pieces as well as large houses, and these would be great for crafting. This was actually an impressive piece. All of the detail in these little Santas with the wreath, the hat, the outfit, these are all $125, you guys. Really nice. And I did see two different outfits for the Santa, one trimmed in white and one trimmed in gray fur, so you had two to choose from. Now I also spotted this. I don't think I've ever seen it. So these are large wood kind of balls, and they're shaped together like a little snowman. You can get it in gray and white, or you can get him in red and white. Now, if you are working on your minis, they did have the Cobblestone Ridge collection back. These are all of the minis, the trees, the people. These are for your villages if you love putting villages together or simply just crafting with them. So they did have a bunch of those out, and it's great to shop early. Now, they also included some houses as well if you are looking for the houses in this collection. Now, right next to it, they had all of the trees. Now, they did have some bright colors. I prefer the natural colors of green or even white. They also have the faux brick and faux cobblestone pieces and even a little fencing. These are all great for crafting ideas. So now I'm going to walk over to the plus section. There's a few things I wanted to feature, and the first thing I saw was this Sesame Street activity backpack. The quality on this is A1, you guys. Now this is only $5 and it comes with 21 pieces in this backpack for $5. So you're going to get 6 markers, 6 jumbo crayons, 4 foam stamps, 2 sticker sheets, an artist pad, an ink pad, and the full backpack itself. That's altogether 21 pieces for only $5. A great deal. I also saw this. So this is a motion activated solar light. Now you can mount this. It's wireless and it is weatherproof. So this is great to use outdoors. Now you can put it on your steps, your patio, backyard, or wherever you need that little bit of extra light, and it's $5. Now we've all seen these tumbler cups, but I found new colors this week. I've never seen them in this mint green. They also have this in the pretty kind of plum purple color. I love that one. And we've all seen the black one, but red next to it I have not yet seen. So that is a new one that just arrived. Have you seen these handheld fans at the Dollar Tree? So these are $5. Now they are USB rechargeable, USB-C rechargeable, and they have 3 speeds and they have a mounting dock so you can charge it. So that is a great deal for these hot summer months. I did locate one more costume I hadn't seen, and this is the 4-piece firefighter costume. I think that one is really, really nice. It comes with the vest, the hard hat, the axe, and the badge. And the steering wheel tray. You guys, this is such a convenient item. This is for your car. So if you want to use your laptop in your car, have your lunch, it is a convenient tray to have in your car. This is only $5, an amazing deal. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of items that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, a few videos back, I featured these Halloween themed tier trays that come in 4 different styles from the Dollar Tree, and I did pick up a few extra for a giveaway. Now, I'm going to be giving away one of these trays in their design choice of a spider, ghost, bat, or skull to one lucky winner. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, leave a comment answering this question. Now, what were your top 3 favorite items in this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, September 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, since some of the winners of my past drawings have never claimed their prizes, I'm going to draw 3 finalists, and the first to respond and confirm the entry will win the prize. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, September 18th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a ghost emoji or the word ghost in the comment along with your answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck in the contest today. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It's absolutely free. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.